Are you responsible for the central storage systems and data availability for your organization? Ransomware attacks are increasing dramatically and cannot be ignored. If you're not careful, you could be next. It sounds quite scary, right? ProLion can help secure your data, ensuring higher storage availability and uptime. Our proactive ransomware protection stops attacks in real time and helps with remediation. In the event of a site disaster, ClusterLion will automatically switch over all storage services to the secondary data center with no disruption. ProLion also helps with data governance and compliance through our comprehensive data analytics and auditing. So don't let ransomware or other failures sabotage your uptime. Take control now. Our solutions will ensure always-on availability for your data and keep your business running. Talk to us now to get protected.